Okay, this is just another weekday meal for us. It's fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes and gravy. It does require a little bit extra time to prepare, but it's another meal that we had this week. Okay, y'all, this is another real good budget-friendly meal. It's corned beef and cabbage with sweet cornbread. And it didn't take long to throw together. Real easy and cheap. Hey y'all, this was another weeknight meal. It was real easy. It's beef stroganoff. Be sure to look below for the video on this. But it's really quick, really easy, really simple. Takes no time to prepare. Okay, this was another easy dinner for us. I put together a Reuben sandwich and some chips. I made my own Reuben sandwich. Just some corned beef, some sauerkraut, and this one's got pepper jack on it, but you could do Swiss, and we do white bread instead of rye. But it's just real easy and simple. It was marked down bread from Walmart, so it wasn't anything complicated. Okay, on to the next day. Okay, y'all, here's another dinner for the weeknight, for our weeknight. This is poor man's beef stew. This is a recipe that I made up a while ago, and we served it with cornbread. Okay, hey y'all, this real quick, we had this for dinner. It is a breakfast casserole. Sometimes we have breakfast, during the week, and it's real quick, real easy, real good, and be sure to look for the video when I make that.